guys, today finally finishing up the Z for the most part. I'm gonna go get it aligned today. That's what most of the video is gonna be about, but I'm also gonna try to get some clips while I'm driving and show you guys just how it rides. Yes, I am still on stock Racelands, by the way. Stock springs, stock everything. I actually unslacked the rear springs, so those have proper preload now. I think I'm gonna explain that in a separate video at some point. We are going to my friend Melveo's shop. Melvin does alignments out in, I think it's like the Wake Forest area, and we'll see what I can do. I kind of want to, I want a lot less rear camber right now. I can tell you that already. I've had a couple days to sit on it at this setup, and I'd like less rear camber if I could help it. The front is not really adjustable. The front, I just need the toe to get dialed in correctly. The rear is, we'll see. We'll see. I think the arms are adjusted out pretty far. So I think I have a good bit of adjustability to go back on the arms and make it less cambered. But I won't really know until we get there and get it on the rack and start seeing everything. Alright, I'm on my way now. I'm not too far away. I think I'm like 10 minutes away roughly. The car's actually been doing great. The rear tire's rubbing a little. It's been rubbing though, so I'm figuring probably after this drive it'll rub through whatever it's rubbing. I know what it's rubbing on. It's only rubbing the bumper corner, so I'm not too concerned about it. I don't really know this part of North Carolina that I'm in right now, like Wake Forest. I don't know the roads around here, so I am a little scared, but I think I'll be fine at this point. The highway was really mild actually, so. You can hear my tire, I think. Yeah, that's my tire. Eventually it's gotta stop. It's only rubber, so like eventually it's gonna hit the limit. And right now I'm kind of on a hill. But it's only tires, so I'm not very upset about it. Not a big deal. Also, there's been cars trying to race me and shit on this highway that I was on. And I think they don't get it, but the coolest part of my car is what it's doing right now, driving at highway speeds. That is like the special feature of my car. It looks cool, and it can drive at highway speeds. It's like, it's not fast, I'm not gonna do poles with you, and I'm not gonna be a lunatic. There's a little bit of traffic. I just want to focus on driving. I don't want to make some stupid mistake because I'm trying to be entertaining talking to myself. So I'll update you guys when we get there. Who's doing the alignment. It's his car. It's pretty sweet. I've never seen a stance Chevy Aveo, so it's pretty dope. Nice. Static, by the way. Pretty cool. So right now he's finishing up with the toe. My axles are shredded. Camber's already dialed. It's going great. Just like to point out how cool I think dragonflies are. Dragonflies are sick. Dude, dialed it so quick. Come on now. That took like less than an hour, and the toe is perfect.
Including getting it on the rack too.
Honestly, it's probably not even gonna take that long getting it off either.
Yeah, kind of just like I did John. Jack the foot up and back off like you did.
Yeah, yeah. Wow, literally zeroed out, man. Good job, good job. Wow. So now this is my final fitment for the year. Towed in, or not towed in, towed perfectly now. -17 and -10.
Alright, come back real slow. Stop.
Alright, and just like that, I'm back from the shop. Huge shout out again to Mel Veo. If you guys need any sort of alignment work done, or even any general car work, I'd imagine, just hit him up on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram on screen right now. He really helped me out for a great price. And now I'm stoked. My Z's basically done for the year. Alignment's kind of like the final step, so this is how we're looking this year. So I got a little bit more negative camber than when I went in. I went in and had 15, now it's at 17. But it's even, everything's even now, except, well, the front and rear is not even, obviously. The front's at -10, the rear is at -17. And in general, very happy, very excited about it right now. I do have future plans for my Z down the road. I already know what next steps I want to do. We're trying to hit 10K, so drop a sub if you guys haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace!